Good morning, sir. Thank you for calling room service. This is JM. May I help you?
Can I take order?
May I have your name and room number, please?
Neil 201.
Okay, Mr. Lee. Of room 201, may I take your order?
Yes?
Would you like to try our best-selling Tapsilog and orange juice?
Yeah, I'd like to try our best-selling Tapsilog and orange juice.
Anything else you'd like to add?
No?
Let me repeat your order. Tapsilog and orange juice?
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Your order will arrive in 15 to 20 minutes. Your total amount is 300 pesos. What mode of payment do you prefer, sir? Cash, card, or charge total?
Search total.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, room service. Good morning, sir. I'm JL, your room service attendant. Here's your service order. Shall I leave the food on the tray, or do you want it to be on the table?
Ay, oo. Yung kinakain namin
Oh, sir, this is our best selling of Tapsilog and orange juice. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I present the bill, sir? Kindly fix your signature. Thank you, sir. When do you want to come back to clear your service? After one. Excuse me, sir. Room service.
Come in.
Good morning, sir. Are you done with breakfast?
Yes?
May I see it now?
Yes?
Thank you, sir.